Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts, hail up to the size of quarters and wind gusts in excess of 4 miles northwest of White Point to 35 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Large hail, locally high winds, and dangerous lightning can be expected. Owners should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.